So in this video, you'll learn how to block a user in Telegram. So if you no longer want to receive any messages or video calls from a specific user, this is what you need to do to block them. Simply start by opening Telegram. Then from here, you want to navigate to Settings. Under Settings, look for the option Privacy and Security and select it. Then from here, select Blocked Users. So currently I have this user blocked, and now I will no longer receive any messages or any video calls from this specific user. But if you want to block a user, just tap on the option at the top like that. Then you can choose to either block a full chat, so you'll no longer receive any messages or files or video calls from that specific chat, or you can choose to just block a specific contact. So just come to the contact section, choose one from the list like that, then select block user, and that specific user will be blocked on your Telegram account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.